Now the last thing we have to do for the wing structure is to reflect it over to the starboard side. Before you do that, if you're going to make the spars and ribs thick, as in not just a surface, but a solid, you should do that before you go through with these reflections, and I recommend that you make them thick. To do that, just make them thick surfaces and make the thickness go in the direction of the thicker wing. So for your ribs, make the thickness go inboard. For the spars, make them go towards the 25% chord line. So that way they don't poke through the skin. So other than that, it's a simple symmetry tool to reflect these over the XZ plane to the starboard side. And I mentioned in the spar video that it would be a good idea to cut the spars where they intersect with the wing and then crank them so that they run parallel to the fuselage station line across the fuselage till they get to the other side of the spar, and then they follow the sweep of the wing back. So you can do that either before or after the symmetry. If you do it before, you'll just do for half of that part inside the fuselage and then also reflect it. And anything that we do here for all the steps that we've used to create the spars and the ribs can also be employed on the horizontal and vertical tails. You notice I generally reflect them all. I reflect all components of one thing over at once. So all the ribs at once, all the spars at once, and then you get a little multi-output tree thing. So everything stays together. That's it for the wing structure.